Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a lot of work. We did a tune-up and we had to descale both the steam boiler and the brew boiler, and the steam boiler was full of scale. All of the water level pros were completely covered on scale build up, as well as the partially the boiler. So we had to descale this thing twice in order to get rid of everything. We also replaced one of the little valves that you see right here. This one was leaking through here, and fortunately we had to replace it. We also replaced this shower head screen that you see right here. You can kind of see these little lines around it. That means it's cracked, and it's all around the whole shower screen. So we ended up replacing that, replacing the filter and the gasket of the machine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out, and then we're gonna do some hot water and then some juices things. Going to the espresso range, probably need to tamper a little bit harder and to increase the quantity of coffee in there to get that perfect range of espresso. But still we were able to get some crema, and the flow was excellent coming out of the machine. Yep, as you can see, I need to put more coffee. There's a little bit of liquid there. But the shower screen is shower screen looking great. Very clean. Hot water, nice steady stream coming out of the machine, and the steam working perfectly fine. And there you have it. Breville working once again. So thank you so much for playing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.